Hello, everyone. Before you buy your next home, you could be missing thousands of dollars in hidden risks. Let me show you how AI can uncover them instantly. Welcome to the Reaixo training seminar on using AI for real estate analysis. In today's session, we are going to explore how buyers, sellers, investors, and real estate agents can use artificial intelligence to make smarter and faster real estate decisions. Throughout this lecture, we will use one real property example, 647 Fernfield Sur, Wayne, PA 19087. Now, before we begin, it is very important to understand something clearly. AI is not replacing real estate professionals. AI is not replacing inspectors, lenders, attorneys, financial advisors, or experienced agents. What AI does very well is help organize information, identify patterns, summarize risks, and provide additional perspectives extremely quickly. Think of AI as a powerful assistant. It helps you research faster. It helps you ask better questions. And it helps you analyze opportunities more efficiently. Ultimately, the final decision should always involve professional judgment and human expertise. What is AI, and why does it matter in real estate? Real estate is one of the most data-heavy industries in the world. When evaluating a property, buyers and investors often need to review property history, comparable sales, school districts, property taxes, HOA fees, crime statistics, mortgage rates, market trends, renovation risks, future resale potential. Traditionally, researching all this information could take several hours. A buyer may spend 4 to 6 hours manually researching one property. AI can generate a structured first-pass analysis in under a minute. That is a major advantage. AI can act like a market analyst, a researcher, a property evaluator, a marketing assistant, a risk assessment tool. The professionals who learn how to use AI effectively today will likely operate faster and more efficiently than those relying only on traditional methods. That is why AI matters in real estate. Now let's do a practical demo. We will open Zillow, ChatGPT. Then we search for 647 Fernfield Sur, Wayne, PA 19087. As you can see, Zillow already gives us a large amount of useful information. We can review listing price, photos, property description, school district, price history, tax history, estimated values, days on market. But now we want deeper analysis. So we copy the property details into ChatGPT. And this is where prompt engineering becomes extremely important. Instead of simply asking, "Tell me about this property," we provide structure and context. Here is the prompt. You are an experienced real estate analyst. Analyze this property, 647 Fernfield Sur, Wayne, PA 19087. Tasks. Determine whether the property appears overpriced, underpriced, or fairly priced. Identify the top 3 resale risks. Explain what type of buyer this property is best suited for. Identify important questions a buyer should investigate before making an offer. Format. Use numbered sections with concise explanations. Now let's look at the response. ChatGPT may tell us whether the property appears fairly priced compared to nearby homes. It may identify risks such as older home systems, roof or HVAC concerns, outdated kitchens or bathrooms, high taxes, competition from renovated homes nearby. It may also identify the ideal buyer profile. For example, buyers targeting the Tredyffrin Easttown School District, families looking for larger lots in Wayne or the main line, long-term homeowners rather than short-term investors. Now remember, this does not mean the AI is always correct. The purpose is to generate insights quickly and identify areas that deserve deeper investigation. Now let's ask follow-up questions. Follow-up prompts. Hidden costs prompt. What hidden ownership or maintenance costs should a buyer investigate for a property like 647 Fernfield Sur, Wayne, PA 19087? This may identify roof replacement costs, HVAC replacement expenses, sewer line problems, landscaping costs, tree maintenance, drainage concerns, insurance increases, energy efficiency problems. Another useful prompt is market risk prompt. If mortgage rates rise by 1%, how could properties like 647 Fernfield Sur, Wayne, PA 19087 be affected? This helps us understand buyer affordability, future resale demand, luxury market sensitivity, potential price pressure. And another useful prompt is neighborhood comparison prompt. Compare this property to typical homes in Wayne, PA in terms of value, resale potential, and buyer demand. This helps us understand whether the property is stronger or weaker than surrounding homes. The big three LLMs, ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. Now let's talk about the three major AI models we commonly use in real estate analysis. They are ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini. Each model has different strengths. ChatGPT is excellent for property analysis, marketing copy, MLS descriptions, buyer communication, seller communication, report generation. For example, we can ask ChatGPT, write a luxury MLS listing description for 647 Fernfield Sur, Wayne, PA 19087. Tone, professional, modern, upscale, family-oriented. Within seconds, it can generate professional marketing content. Claude, by Anthropic, is especially strong for long inspection reports, HOA documents, seller disclosures, deep reasoning, long-form analysis. For example, we can upload an inspection report and ask, summarize this inspection report and identify the top 5 concerns a buyer should know before purchasing the property. Claude is excellent at reading large documents and summarizing key concerns. Gemini. Google Gemini is useful for current market research, local insights, web-connected analysis, housing trends, neighborhood information. For example, we can ask, what are the latest real estate market trends in Wayne, PA and the surrounding mainline area? Each AI model may produce slightly different answers, and that is actually useful. One model may focus more on pricing, another may focus more on renovation risk, another may focus on market trends or school districts. This is why many professionals compare results across multiple AI systems. What is prompt engineering? Now let's discuss one of the most important concepts in AI, prompt engineering. Prompt engineering simply means learning how to ask AI better questions. AI quality depends heavily on question quality. Weak prompts create vague answers. Strong prompts create detailed and useful answers. For example, this is a weak prompt. Tell me about this house. That prompt is too vague. It does not explain who we are, what we care about, what analysis we want, and what output format we need. Now let's improve it. I am a first-time buyer considering 647 Fernfield Sur, Wayne, PA 19087. Analyze whether the property appears fairly priced, top 3 resale risks, hidden ownership costs, questions I should ask before making an offer. Format. Use numbered points with concise explanations. This is a much stronger prompt. It gives context, goal, constraints, and output format. And notice something important. Prompt engineering is not coding. It is structured communication. Advanced prompts. Now let's look at more advanced prompts. Investment analysis prompt. You are a real estate investment analyst. Analyze 647 Fernfield Sur, Wayne, PA 19087. Assume 20% down payment, 30-year mortgage, long-term ownership. Tasks. Identify investment strengths. Identify investment risks. Estimate appreciation potential. Explain whether this property is suitable for primary residence, luxury resale, or rental investment. This helps investors evaluate cash flow, appreciation, taxes, carrying costs, rental viability, long-term demand. Now, let's look at a marketing example. Seller marketing prompt. You are a luxury real estate marketing expert. Create MLS listing description, Instagram caption, Facebook ad headline, top emotional selling points. Property, 647 Fernfield Sur, Wayne, PA, 19087. Within seconds, AI can generate content from multiple platforms. This saves agents and marketing teams a tremendous amount of time. The most important takeaway from today's session is this: AI is becoming a competitive advantage in real estate. The buyers, investors, and agents who learn AI today will likely research faster, analyze smarter, market more effectively, identify risks earlier, communicate better with clients. But remember, AI should always be combined with human judgment, professional inspections, financial analysis, legal review, local market expertise. AI is not replacing professionals. It is empowering professionals. Thank you very much for joining this Reaixo training session. In upcoming lessons, we will go deeper into advanced prompt engineering, AI-driven investment analysis, AI marketing automation, property evaluation workflows, real estate business automation, AI tools for agents and investors. Thank you again for being part of Reaixo. Happy learning, and we look forward to seeing you in the next session.